Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. So we are here in Radhakund for the hardcore Snan. Happy Edge Day. Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe. Radhe. Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe, so welcome back again in Radhakund. So today we are here again in Govardhan for another Parikram Madness. So we started as early as 7 in the morning. Now it's like 12 noon here, midday. Huh? Okay. So we'd like to greet all our friends. Happy Edge Day, yeah! To all our Edge friends and even non-Edge, there's no problem. Happy Edge Day to everyone. So we are going to give you a Stay Edge hardcore Snan. Okay? Radhe Radhe. So this is for the N4S crew and for all the volunteers in Krishna Balaram Ashram. This is all for you. Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. So we are back again in Radhakund. Just few days ago, we have a very nice katha on the Bahulastami about the appearance of Radhakund. Though it's not actually the appearance day of Sri Radhakund, we still had our katha to glorify Radhakund. So yes. Just a few more days that we are going to celebrate the Govardhan Puja. So earlier we have a nice katha, but there was no Zoom live because of some technicalities, some technical problems. So we'll just try to upload the recorded version, and it was also like interrupted. So we has only like have done like almost 1 hour of katha. So we will try to have a follow-up, like a part 2. So just stay tuned. We'll keep you updated. Yes, and La Chica from Cavite with John Ray Prabhu, Hare Krishna Prabhu, Haribol, John Ray and Ann La Chica. Okay, thank you. So please try to join us in our Zoom. John Ray Prabhu, we will update you. So it will be nice if you can also join to listen and have a Braja Katha Association. Huh? Okay. So Yes. So today, we are in the middle of the Kartik month. So it's almost, we are on midway. So 2 more weeks more. So let us take advantage of this very merciful month. So whatever opportunities you have in engaging in Seva, just do it. Okay. So we're gonna have another snan. Just enjoy your Radhakund darshan. Okay. जय हो जय हो, राधे राधे। Okay, so thank you. So we have another wonderful opportunity to have a darshan of Radha Kund. So we'll see you again next time. Okay? Radhe Radhe!